isusurprise po natin, gagawa tayo ng part 2. Check this out. Hi. Check this out. Kung napansin niyo yung tawag dito, yung Nepali na tinuruan ko po ng Tagalog tutorial. Isusurprise po natin, gagawa tayo ng part 2. Check this out. Hi. Hi. How are you? You eating? How are you? Long time? I think it's 3 weeks, I think. Everything is alright? Okay. Yeah. The music is good, huh? But, yeah. Okay, now, guys, sinurprise na po natin gagawa tayo ng part 2. Bubulatin po natin. I have 3 questions yan. I teach you again English to Tagalog. Only 3. How are you? Yani, how are you in yani in Tagalog is kumusta ka? Again, kumusta ka? Okay, na-miss kita. So now first, I make it Tagalog first and then English. Na-miss kita. Uy! What again? Na-miss kita. Uy! Okay, in English, I miss you so much. Now, one more. Gusto kita. What again? Iyan lang sinasabi ko yan. What again? Gusto kita. Yun. You know. Yeah, Philippine language. Now, I translate to you in English. Okay, again, what? Gusto kita. Sinasabi ko mga kapatid. In English is, I like you. Boom! Thank you guys, Pabli. Thank you guys, ito yung part 2 po ng Tagalog tutorial. Ito yung sa part 1. So this time, gumawa tayo ng part 2. Sinurprise po natin. What again? Gusto kita. Oh, sinasabi ko eh. In English is, oh, I love you. Thank you. Give me 5.